what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Poison. Every rose has its thorn. Alright, let's get to it. The first thing you need to know is I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the album, you got to tune down the whole guitar half a step, okay? To E flat and play the same chords. Alright, let's go. We got G major. This kind of G, 2nd fret A, 3rd fret low E, 3rd fret B, 3rd fret E. And then we just want to move these two guys, keep the high string where it is, move this to C like that, 2nd fret D, 3rd fret A. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Drums and heavy guitar. Second verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're gonna switch faster. C, just like the first time. G to C, D. Chorus. So that's verse 1, first chorus, verse 2, second chorus. Now we have the bridge, which is E minor. That's 2A, 2D, and D major, and C to G, E minor to D, and then you stay on C. That's gonna be the big guitar solo. Let's do that again. E minor, D, C to G. E minor, D, C, 2, 3. Guitar solo. Just like the verse. We're gonna do E minor, D, C, guitar solo. E minor, D, and C to breakdown. So that's, you just hit the one there. And if you want to do the knock, that's a snare. 2, 3, knock, 3, knock. part of the verse. To C, G to C, and D to C. The last chord. Cool. Easy song, right? So, yeah, let's go over everything before we end the lesson. Verses G, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, two times. And then we switch faster. Same thing. G, 2, C, 4. G, 2, C, 4. And then G, C, no, G, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 on D to C there, and on every verse, and then chorus G to C. So here, the difference between the verse and chorus, we go from G to D to C to G, and then G to C, bridge, E minor, D, C to G, E minor, D to C. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Have fun with the song. It's classic 80s, I guess. All right, cool. See you later. Be safe.